So you want to become a DJ in 2020? I'm going to tell you how in 11 simple steps within 3 minutes. Let's get into it. Step 1. Decide if you actually love DJing and love music. If you're just doing it for the money, the industry is not for you. Step 2. Buy yourself a cheap controller. I recommend the DDJ 400 or the DDJ SB3. Step 3. Decide what software you're going to use. If you've gone for the DDJ 400, you're going to be using Rekordbox. If you're using the DDJ SB3, you're going to be using Serato. Step 4. Download a whole batch of music. If you don't want to pay for any music, I've got a bunch of free music down in the description down below. Step 5. Practice, practice, practice. Head over to DJ TLM's playlist and I guarantee by the end of that you'll know how to DJ, how to mix, how to beat match, everything. I'm going to leave the link to that in the description down below. Step 6. Create all your social media accounts. Mixcloud and Instagram are the most important. Step 7. Create a bunch of mixes and upload them to Mixcloud. The more variety you have, the better. Step 8. Start contacting local bars, local small clubs near you. You need to start small before you start getting into the bigger clubs. Use your Mixcloud account to help you when you're going to these clubs. Hand them over your Mixcloud account, hand them over a CD so they can listen to you before they make a decision. Step 9. Get your first gig and smash it. First impressions are key. Step 10. Once you get your first gig, make sure that you're networking with promoters and DJs, as well as contacting local bars to try and get a second gig. Step 11. After getting all these gigs, try and grab yourself a residency inside one of these bars. Having a residency every single week is crucial as a brand new DJ. If you guys found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscriber button down below if you haven't done so already, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to get notified every single time I post a video. My name is DJ CB, and we're out.